Here are 5 things you didn't know about Irene of Athens, the Byzantine ruler most people have never heard of, because her story was too brutal for history books. First, she had her own son's eyes burned out with red hot iron rods in 797. Constantine VI was trying to reclaim his throne, so she made sure he could never rule again. Second, she became the first woman to rule the Byzantine Empire in her own right, not as a regent. She forced everyone to call her emperor, not empress. Third, she brought back religious icon worship, sparking the iconoclastic wars that tore the empire apart for decades. Fourth, she secretly planned to marry Charlemagne and unite the Eastern and Western Roman empires. This marriage would have changed all of European history. Fifth, even though medieval writers called her blinding of her son unnatural, her 5-year reign brought peace and prosperity to the empire. She was one of history's most effective rulers and most ruthless mothers.